This video will show you the steps necessary to install the WCW43M LCF12 D01 connector onto half-inch, low-loss, dielectric coax cable. The D01 connector is made up of two components, the body and the back nut. The back nut comes equipped with an O-ring and polymer spring locking fingers. Tools required for this installation are a portable bandsaw, a cordless drill, flush cutters, 2 pipe wrenches, and the WCW Trim LCF12 D01A automated tool. Begin by using the bandsaw to cut a flush end of the coax cable at a slight downward angle. Next, insert and lock in the automated tool into your drill as you would any other drill bit. Run the drill clockwise on a low RPM setting to make sure it's secured in your drill before using it with the coax cable. Then insert the cable into the trimming tool as far as it can go inside. Once the cable is securely in place, run the drill spinning the trimming tool while applying pressure and pushing against the cable as you go. You will see shavings of both the cable's jacket and the inner corrugated copper shielding ejecting out the sides of the trimming tool. Stop when there is no more shavings and you cannot push the cable in any further. Now use your flush cutter to trim away excess extruded polyethylene dielectric from the center conductor. You can now install the back nut by pushing it onto the cable. You will feel it click on when you've pushed it on far enough. Now pull the nut forward slightly. You'll feel a second click when the polymer claws lock in place over the copper corrugation. Detach the outer barrel of the automated tool. It's equipped with a flare tool. Insert the conductor in the center and run the drill again to flare out the end of the corrugation, ensuring the polymer claws have a tight grip. Lastly, screw on the body hand tight. Then, using the 2 pipe wrenches, while always securely holding the body, fully tighten them together. For more information, reach out to one of our knowledgeable sales representatives today.